Hey guys, this is Shane here from Echo Soundworks. In this short video, I'm going to show the Logic users out there the easiest way to reverse a reverb. So this is really helpful for obviously transition effects. You use this with vocals, you can use this with synths, pretty much anything. So here is a track where I have a guitar heavy section. And the drop is pretty much all synth. So what I want to do is I want to kind of soften the transition from the section of the song that's guitar focused to the section that's synth focused. So let's listen in context. So I'm going to open up Serum and I'm going to play the note that I want my reverse reverb transition to be, which in this example is going to be A sharp. It's the first note I play in my drop melody. So I'm going to play a note and then go up to the top where Serum has this new little icon where it's the drag export icon. And basically I can click this and make a one shot of what I just played. And it will make a one shot for basically the length that I played it. So now we have a one shot of the sound. Now what I can do is I can add my reverb to reverse it. Now, in Logic, there's a few ways to do this, and in every DAW, there's a few ways to do this. So if you're not a Logic user and you're watching this video, I'll quickly explain, the general process behind doing something like this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna add reverb, and then you're going to freeze that or bounce that in place, whatever terminology your DAW uses, and then you're gonna reverse that. And because of the tail of the reverb, meaning that the sound's gonna get quieter as the tail progresses, right? You're then going to reverse that, so that's at the front of the sound, and then you add normal reverb again to that, and it creates this reverse reverb sound. Well, in Logic, there's actually an easier way to do it, and you just use Space Designer. So Space Designer is a convolution reverb plugin that is stock in Logic. I really like this impulse response. It is in the large spaces halls. It's called Bada Church. Check it out on this one shot. So, I mean, it's just a reverb, right? And I have the dry, wet all the way up. So I'm actually going to shorten this a little bit too long. Going to fade out a little bit. And now what we want to do is we want to hit reverse right here in Space Designer. And now we'll have a reverse reverb. So the length of this is pretty long, so I could turn it down. I don't know if I need 5 seconds. Well, I know I don't. I only have a bar of space to work with here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bounce this in place. Now, when you bounce it in place, you want to make sure that you have include audio tail in file. That's going to include all this space past our immediate region, which is going to be where all the reverse reverb is happening. So if you don't have that checked, this isn't going to work, right? Like our actual audio file has nothing, or very little, but if I drag out, there's all the reverse reverb content. So now all I have to do is position it and take the part that I want. So let's delete this, drag this back on itself. And then I might clip this right there. We'll fade in a little bit. And I actually want this happening from in between bars 32 and 33. So let's take a quick listen. We'll delete our original track. All right, and then I'm actually just gonna add some reverb back to it, so there's a little bit of reverb. So we'll just take a preset here, we'll do Hall, do Piano Concert. All right, that'll work. So let's listen in context, see how it sounds. All right, so that's going to sum up this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, you can post those below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. If you guys aren't subscribed to our channel, you know the drill. Hit that subscribe button. The support really does mean a lot to us. And if you guys haven't ever checked out our website, echosoundworks.com, definitely head on over there. There's a ton of free content, samples, loops, and presets. And of course, there's some premium sound sets and sample packs as well. And lastly, if you guys use Instagram, consider giving us a follow. We run a lot of contests, giveaways, and promotions on that platform. And I think you guys will like what we're doing over there. All right, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.